Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about declaring a structure, union and its members. A structure in C is a collection of variables of different types under a single name. It allows you to define custom data types that can store different information in a single variable. In C, a structure is declared using the struct keyword, followed by the name of the structure and a list of variables within the curly braces. In this example, a structure named employee is defined with three members: an integer employee ID, a character array name of size 50, and a floating point number salary. A union in C is similar to a structure, but all the members of the union share the same memory location. The size of a union variable is equal to the size of its largest member. In C, a union is declared using the union keyword, followed by the name of the union and a list of variables within curly braces. In this example, a union named data is defined with two members, an integer number and a character. When a union variable is declared, only one member can be assigned a value at any given time. And the value of the last assigned member will be stored in the memory location shared by all members. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.